Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged headphones, latest firmware, and a snug physical fit. First actionable step: put them on and switch ANC on. You should feel an immediate low-frequency reduction. If your model has modes, set it to full cancellation now. Once done, adjust fit again to maximize seal because passive isolation complements active cancellation. Make sure companion app settings match your preference before moving on to fine-tuning. Now you refine ANC for where you'll be listening. You should try each mode: transparency for situational awareness, ambient for voices, full ANC for steady noise, and pick the best. Next, use the equalizer to tame harsh highs and slightly boost mids so voices remain intelligible. Once done, perform a short listening test in the actual environment. Walk, sit, and note any remaining hums. If needed, repeat mode and EQ adjustments until background noise is acceptably reduced. Finish by optimizing for extended use. Wear them for 5 minutes, then tweak fit and volume for comfort and minimal artifact. If you encounter fluctuating cancellation or stutters, first restart the headphones and repair the Bluetooth connection. That resolves most issues. If problems persist, reset to factory settings or try a firmware rollback if the app permits. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping to a different device quickly confirms whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.